Prosecco from Italy, guys.
I
Now,
love
Prosecco is always from Italy, and the grape they use, it's Glera.
the grape is Glera.
Glera.
I used to work for an Italian company, the Gonga. We used to eat Prosecco every weekend with my husband.
Anyone that's hosted Easter lunch before knows that it's all about good food that's prepared with love, being super, super prepared, and also being good to yourself.
Prosecco from Italy, guys.
I
Now,
love
Prosecco is always from Italy, and the grape they use, it's Glera.
the grape is Glera.
Glera.
I used to work for an Italian company, the Gonga. We used to eat Prosecco every weekend with my husband. Every Friday was a Prosecco day. Even on our
love
wedding,
Prosecco
we
as
served to eat Prosecco as the shots. Uyabona? Imele, but why we kill them about?
Hayi lo cingo lomyuzeli.
No, kaloku.
The music.
All you have to think of is muesli. Muesli.
I say music.
Yeah.
So me only 3 liters.
3 liter.
3 liter.
And
that
you
is,
cannot get it anywhere. It's not for
yeah,
sale.
3 liter, that is a
It's not
Jeroboam.
supposed to go. Wow.
What?
Yay!
See that guy?
Sure.
Okay. Oh, you are ready to get this.
Now, 3 liters are called Jeroboam.
Oh.
In the Botile, they are biblical. There's even a one called Nebuchadnezzar, Salmanassar. Yeah.
Sure.
Yeah.
Is it like that?
Hima, 3 liter is called what?
This is Jeroboam.
Jeroboam.
And that is the name from the Bible. And then 18 liter or 20, no, 18 liter, that is
Don't tell me that the
Nebuchadnezzar.
18 liter.
And then the 20 liter, that is Solomon. Solomon. 20 liter.
Oh my head. It's good, guys. Marvels.
Yo.
I spare. That's what I can
Is
do.
it right?
Yeah. It's alright. Tonga, even the bubbles like all going up my life and
Oh, I was saying.
and they're tiny. So they're not drunk.
Whenever they pour wine, I usually do it. Xa kuthiwa kuthi nina taste whatever, xa order a bottle of wine, they pour a little bit.
The taster, yeah.
Yeah. And then the first thing I do,
You smell.
shake it.
Swallow it.
No, for
And now, Eric, no, don't shake it. First smell it before you shake it. Apparently, when you primary, you get the primary
Secondary,
flavors.
tertiary.
Yeah, and tertiary. So first, don't shake it.
Yeah.
Pour it, and then you get your primary.
Get what the wine is.
Yes.
And then you can decide this wine it need to be decanted or it need to be swirled like vigorously or something like that.
So no matter what
Because swirling, because remember swirling, it will expose it to oxygen. There is going to be too much air going there. And then some wines, they don't need too much of that.
But if you can think, is it not exposing it to oxygen as well?
That is
It
why I
does,
did
Kaluga,
this.
so chill.
Yeah.
But no
Because this
swallow-
one, it is too big for the dish. But if I was having a specific meal, I was not even gonna decant it. I was gonna say it straight from
What do you
the
mean
pot.
specific meal? Is this like a meal where it's like specific beef?
That's fine.
Because you know what, like let's say a table of 6 or 8, they order different dishes. Like someone order fish tuna, and someone order chicken, and then someone order your beef medium rare, and then someone maybe order like well done or like medium well. But they want the same wine
Or on the table?
for the same dishes. I can't do that. That same wine, one of it I will save it chilled, and then other one I will decant it.
So can you chill red wine?
Yes, you can. Because remember, when you chill red wine, it will increase the acidity and drop the alcohol.
I knew it. Every time I put my wine in the fridge, I drink 2 wines and I don't get anything.
Because you can have more bitter. It
I
is
don't
orange.
want it. I want my wine prime, like to give me the dizziness, like you know the irate rather. So when I
But more
put
wine, you will drink it slow, even like that.
which is
Because
good.
it is a very alcoholic.
Yes.
Yeah.
That's what wonderful.
And remember, in South Africa, we don't have a room temperature.
Yeah, you can see.
In Europe, you
Exactly
can
what
use
it
that
Too
one.
hot up.
No, room temperature in South Africa, like now, room temperature is 25 degrees
is
Celsius.
different.
We can't compare ourselves to France and Europe. Ask him. Okay, you know.
Wow, everyone, it went so well. The lunch, the people, the food, the wine. Thank you, and thank you to Lily who's been taking the videos. And Lily, introduce yourself.
Hi guys, my name is Lily and I was the shooter of the day.
Yes.
Guys, we had a wonderful day. Everything went well. It was amazing. The food was delicious. Not talking about the wine. Guys, I'm just saying, stay tuned to the channel and you'll see more of me. Bye.
Yay.